Hi guys, welcome back again. So this is how I have very combo skin. I have super dry, like Sahara Desert dry under the eyes, but my T-zone especially gets extremely oily throughout the day. So this is kind of how I would like prime my skin. So I'm going to start with this Farsáli Unicorn Essence. I love this. I use this all the time. But I think it's really great just to add a little extra moisture like to the skin before going in with like your primer or your foundation or anything like that. So this just has antioxidants. It's really nice. I think it looks really pretty. I don't know. Not sure if it's really a primer, if it helps like extend the wear of my makeup, but I think it makes the makeup go on and look really nice when I do put it on. Alright, now we have it all rubbed in. Next I'm going to go in with the the Hourglass Mineral Veil. And this is like an amazing, there you go, Hourglass Mineral Veil. Amazing primer. I love this stuff. It's pretty pricey, but I think it works really well. It's great for combo skin. It's great for oily skin. I think it's probably even pretty good for dry skin. I haven't noticed it causing the dryness under my eyes to be any worse when I use it or anything. And it really does work to help extend the wear time of makeup. Alright, so now that's all. It has a really like velvety texture too, which I just really love. It makes the skin feel so nice. So last step, what I always do, this is the Touch in Sol No Problem Primer. This stuff is amazing. It's like a miracle worker. I don't even know. So I just put like a little bit, maybe 1.5 pumps on my fingers. And then I just put this kind of in the middle of my face where I tend to have the most texture, the most problems with enlarged pores. So kind of right here on my cheeks. I drag it down a little bit into my smile lines, fill in those wrinkles under my eyes and on my smile lines. And then whatever's left is kind of on the forehead where I also have some enlarged pores. It's not really so bad, and I don't notice the makeup settling on my forehead the way I notice it settling on my cheeks with the large pores. Alright. So there you have it. That's how I prime my face, so we'll see you at the next video for foundation.